Yeah, we believe on the representation front, they only had a couple of PDs, public defenders there that weren't conflicted out. They only had 4 total. But apparently from a neighboring county, I think it's called Kootenai. Ann Taylor has apparently been appointed, at least as interim public defender, a provisional attorney, I think they call it there. Alaleh, everybody's dying to get their hands on the affidavit that led to probable cause, therefore the arrest warrant. And I'm sure you've seen soup to nuts what we've come to expect in these things, from very little to voluminous. What do you expect in this case?
Well, we know that from what has been released so far, and there's not much that has been released. We know that these gruesome murders took place with the use of a knife. So we know that there must be DNA evidence. We know that there must be some kind of trace evidence somewhere uh, in the car or on Kroberger's vicinity, wherever that is. And that would probably explain the 3 search warrants, the house, I think his parents' house, and the third, the car. So the affidavit is probably going to spell out in greater detail what the investigators did uh, to follow the trail that eventually led them to Kroberger. Uh, I'm interested, I think, in the next few days, once the attorney is appointed and she steps into the case and the evidence is somewhat released to her, I think we might get a glimpse, although I'm not so sure that the defense is going to release, and I'm not so sure that the government is going to release a lot of evidence to the public just yet, until and unless we get into evidentiary hearings. But I think the greatest question right now and the greatest lead for us to understand what happened with this case is the DNA evidence.
Yeah, I mean, obviously that I want to talk about that too, because you know, familial DNA has become a huge thing.